In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. This process is essential for keeping your financial records streamlined and organized, tailored to fit the specific needs of your business. Whether you're a small business owner, accountant, or just someone looking to better understand and manage your financial data, these steps will guide you through setting up and maintaining your chart of accounts efficiently. First, what you want to do is head over to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look towards the navigation panel. You'll want to find the section labeled Accountant. This is your gateway to setting up your chart of accounts. Go ahead and click on it. Now, within this Accountant section, you'll see a menu option called Chart of Accounts. Click on this option to proceed. This is where all the magic happens in terms of setting up and configuring the accounts that define how transactions are recorded. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts area, you'll see a button labeled New. This button is your starting point for adding a new account to your chart. Click on New to open up the account creation form. Here you will be given the chance to categorize the type of account you need. Zoho Books offers several predefined account types, and you should choose the one that best fits the financial structure you're creating. Think of account types like the categories in a filing system. They help keep everything organized, so choose the most appropriate type for your needs. After selecting the account type, you'll need to enter the account name. This name should be descriptive enough to let you identify the account's purpose easily. It's always a good practice to use a consistent naming convention to maintain clarity. Then fill in the account code. The account code serves as a unique identifier for the account, so it has to be precise. If you're working in a team, you might want to coordinate these codes to avoid any duplication or confusion down the line. Next, you'll see an option to add a description for your account. This step might seem trivial, but the description adds another layer of understanding, especially when the account's function isn't immediately obvious from the name. Writing clear and concise descriptions can save a lot of time when reviewing accounts later on. Finally, after reviewing all your details, click the Save button. This action will confirm and create your new account in the Chart of Accounts. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct because this will now be a part of your official financial records in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you're taking a proactive role in managing your financial data efficiently. Having a well-organized chart of accounts in Zoho Books not only aids in accurate accounting, but also enhances your financial reporting capabilities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.